I know sometimes life is hard and you wanna give up, but did your mama give up when she was giving birth to your ass? I know the Bible tells you the reason we are cursed. Ladies, know your worth, for you are Mother Earth. The universe is inside of you. Your birth, kings, queens, pharaohs, and empresses. The Kundalini balances your spine. You are divine. Look inside, realize you are a goddess. Cause there's no us without you, mothers.
I was born this way. This has been more than a scheme. Oh Lord, I done put my work in. Word to my nigga, I came. Mama can't see that she seen. Mama can live by own means, but she's been blinded by society standards of low self-esteem. There's no metaphor or no simile. Tell you that my moms can't really see. Knowing diabetes was the enemy. Still I eat greasy, palms all greedy. Dog, but I shout you out on the CD. Oh, never been in contact, I've been involved. Mama, don't cry no more. Word of life, I seen a nigga die on tow. I done seen some losses, and I seen some fame. No matter big or small, rich or poor, hope this is war.
I know you wanna be the shit, I just want my mama see the shit. But oh Lord,
get yours,
gotta get mine.
get yours.
Box like question marks over my head, waiting for my princess. Every night was nothing there, raggedy like Anne. Or any orphan am I? A orphan are we? Important is the world, important as the faith we choose is what I consider being the truth to you. Look left, look right, dreamed it every night. My mama gone, no mama home. As cold as it gets, got to move on. She gave her life for what is me, and for that I am thankful as can be. A hero, destiny, I'll be on my way soon. And together we can bloom, run off to the moon. It's not what you're thinking. I ain't have my moms for spankings. So anxious, impatient, taught myself how to face it. To the brothers and the sisters, no wish list, no Christmas.